It sounds like a question without an answer. After all, how can anything exist beyond everything? But scientists don't ignore this question. They take it seriously, because when we talk about the universe, we're really talking about what we can see, not necessarily all that exists. Tonight, we're traveling to the farthest limits of space, past galaxies, past light itself, to explore what might lie beyond the universe, and why the answer may be stranger than fiction. Most people think the universe has an edge, like a wall or a border. It doesn't. What we call the edge of the universe is actually just the edge of what we can see. Light has only had 13.8 billion years to travel. Anything farther than that is invisible to us. Not because it's gone, but because its light hasn't arrived yet. So when we ask what's beyond the universe, we're really asking something much scarier. What exists beyond what we can ever observe? Imagine standing in the middle of a massive fog. You can only see a few meters ahead. That doesn't mean the world ends there. The observable universe is like that fog. Beyond it, space likely continues, filled with galaxies just like ours. In fact, the universe could be hundreds of times larger than what we can see. Or it might be infinite. No edge, no center, no end. Just reality continuing forever. Now here's where things get uncomfortable. If the universe is infinite, then everything that can happen will happen. Somewhere far beyond our observable horizon, there could be another galaxy identical to ours, another Earth, another version of you watching this video, not copies. Not simulations, real places. This isn't philosophy. It's a consequence of infinity, and it breaks the human mind. Here's the deepest idea of all. Space and time themselves may have begun with the Big Bang. That means before, the universe might not even be a valid question. Asking what S beyond space and time is like asking, what S north of the North Pole? The answer isn't a place. It's nothing, or something beyond our understanding. Some theories go even further. They suggest our universe is just one bubble in a vast cosmic foam. Each bubble is a universe, each with different laws of physics, different dimensions, different outcomes. Some universes might collapse instantly. Others might never form stars. A few, like ours, become complex enough for life. We don't know if the multiverse is real, but the math allows it, and that's terrifying. Here's the deepest idea of all. Space and time themselves may have begun with the Big Bang. That means before the universe might not even be a valid question. Asking what S beyond space and time is like asking, what S north of the North Pole? The answer isn't a place. It's nothing, or something beyond our understanding. So, what's beyond the universe? Maybe more space. Maybe countless other universes. Maybe something so unfamiliar that our brains can't even describe it yet. But here's the part that really matters. For the entire history of the universe, 13.8 billion years, stars have been forming, exploding, and scattering their atoms across space. Those atoms became planets. Some of those planets became worlds, and on at least one of them, they became us. Every thought you've ever had, every question you've ever asked, every moment of wonder. All of it happened inside a universe that may have no edge at all. We might never reach what's beyond the observable universe. We might never prove whether the multiverse exists. We might never know if reality goes on forever, or if it folds into something even stranger. But the fact that we can ask these questions is already extraordinary. In a universe vast enough to contain billions of galaxies, there are places where stars will never form, worlds that will never know light, regions that will remain empty forever. And yet, here we are, a species that learned how to look up, build telescopes, decode light, and wonder what lies beyond everything we can see. The universe doesn't owe us answers, but it gave us curiosity, And maybe that's the real point, not to reach the edge of reality, but to keep pushing toward it. Because every generation that asks these questions pushes humanity a little farther into the unknown. And maybe, somewhere far beyond our cosmic horizon, the universe continues, waiting for minds curious enough to imagine it.